Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single compound splits into or breaks down into two or more simpler substances. This is called the decomposition reaction. So for example, see here, this AB is a single compound. This compound splits or breaks down into A and B. Okay, so two products we have here. In this reaction, we have two or more products, but we have only one reactant. This is one of the example. Another example we can see. So water, it splits into hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the decomposition reaction. Let me check this by using this color bars. See here, this is the single compound AB or otherwise water. This water, it splits or breaks down into A and B. This is the decomposition reaction. This decomposition reaction is quite opposite to the combination reaction. In combination reaction, what we saw in the earlier class, when two or more substances combine to form a single substance, that is a combination reaction. But in decomposition reaction, a single compound splits or breaks down into two or more substances. This is the decomposition reaction. When you eat food, what happens in the digestion process? What do you think about it? Is it a combination reaction or decomposition reaction? Exactly. Digestion of food in our body, it is nothing but a decomposition reaction. Why? Because our digestive system breaks down the complex substances into simpler substances. For example, carbohydrates, it breaks down into simpler sugars such as glucose, where proteins are decomposed to form amino acids. So, carbohydrates are broken down into simpler sugars such as glucose, whereas proteins are decomposed into amino acids. So, digestion of food is an example of decomposition reaction. Okay. So, breaking of bonds is a major phenomenon of the decomposition reaction. Hence, it requires energy to break the bonds. Okay. We can classify this decomposition reaction into three classes. What are they? Let me check now. So first one is the thermal decomposition reaction. Second one is electrolytic decomposition reaction. And third one is the photo decomposition reaction. Let us discuss this thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction. In this type of reaction, a reactant is decomposed by applying heat. For example, On heating calcium carbonate, it decomposed into calcium oxide as well as carbon dioxide gas. One more example we can see. Mercury 2 oxide. This is mercury 2 oxide. On heating, it decomposed into mercury metal as well as oxygen gas. This is the thermal decomposition reaction. In thermal decomposition reaction, heat is supplied to break the bonds. Such type of reaction in which heat is absorbed, it is called the endothermic reaction. Okay. Next we will move to the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. In some of the decomposition reaction, electrical energy is used to decompose the reaction. This is the electrolytic decomposition reaction. For example, this is a sodium chloride compound on electrolysis process. This is electrolysis process. On passing electric current, it changes into metallic sodium as well as chlorine gas. In some of the decomposition reactions, electrical energy is used to bring about the reaction. For example, decomposition of the sodium chloride occurs on passing electric current through its aqueous solution. Here, sodium chloride decomposed into metallic sodium as well as chlorine gas. One more example we can see. If you take this water on passing electric current, it breaks down into hydrogen as well as oxygen gas. This process is known as electrolysis process, since electrical energy or electric current is used to decompose the compound. Here if you take the sodium chloride, it is a compound. Here the reaction takes place between compound as well as the elements. Why? Because sodium chloride is a compound and sodium as well as chlorine is the element. So it is a type of compound to element decomposition reaction, right? Next we will move to the photo decomposition reaction. Photo decomposition reaction. Light is another form of energy which facilitates about some of the decomposition reaction. For example, if you take silver chloride, when it is exposed to light, it turns into silver metal as well as chlorine gas. Silver chloride, when it is exposed to light, it breaks down into, decomposed into silver metal as well as chlorine gas. One more example we can see. When silver bromide, when it is exposed to light, it breaks down into silver metal as well as bromine gas. Here we have to balance the equation. Here both the reactant as well as product side it gets balanced. This process is known as photolysis process. Okay. This is the photolysis process. Mainly this photo decomposition reaction it is used in the black and white photography. Okay. We will discuss the remaining things in the next video.